Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download games on laptop for free. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, in order to download games for free in your laptop, there are actually multiple ways available. Like you can download games for free from games launcher, such as in my PC I have installed Steam and Epic Games launcher. These are the launchers which I use, and there are multiple launchers available in the market which you can use them as well. So if I talk about Steam, you just need to open the Steam. First of all, you need to install the Steam in your PC, then just come here in the search bar and type free games. Here you will find the option for free to play. Just click on the free to play, scroll a bit, and here you will find many games are there for free to play. You can just install them, and this is the list for best popular games which are available on Steam for free to play. You can download them, and if you want to download a game from Steam, you just need to click on the game. Let's suppose I want to download this game. I just need to click on game, and right here I can just click on play a game, and right here you can see the game size. Install it by clicking on the install, but make sure that your laptop is compatible with these games. And likewise, you can try the Epic Games launcher as well. You just need to search here some free games, then you are ready to go. Now if I talk about the second way, the second way is pretty easy. If you want to download a specific game, you just need to go to their specific website, and from there you can download them. These are some games which are available on their sites. You can just download them. Just type like fortnite.com, then you can just download the game from there. So this is the second way, and the third way is pretty easy and which is very obvious. You can download games for free from Microsoft Store itself. Like here you can find many games, Asphalt 8, Hill Climb Racing, many are there. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can download free games on your laptop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.